Did you know that with the right training, you can boost your endurance capacity by up to 20% in just a few weeks? That's right, a few tweaks to your routine can unlock a whole new level of performance. This isn't just about running marathons. Endurance is the foundation of a fit and healthy life. Endurance is your body's ability to sustain activity over time, whether you're hitting the gym, playing sports, or simply keeping up with your day. Good endurance means more energy, improved heart health, and greater resilience in all areas of life. But building endurance isn't always easy. We've all faced moments of doubt, questioning our limits and wondering if we have what it takes to push further. Fatigue is a common roadblock on the path to greater endurance. It can hit us unexpectedly, making even the simplest tasks feel monumental. Our bodies get tired, our motivation wanes, and we start to question our goals. This is completely normal. Everyone, from beginners to seasoned athletes, faces these moments of doubt and exhaustion. The key is to recognize these challenges and develop strategies to overcome them. Consulting with a coach or planning your workouts in advance can make a significant difference. Think of fatigue as a signal, not a stop sign. It's your body's way of communicating that it needs attention, whether that's through rest, nutrition, or a change in your routine. Listen to your body, adjust your training, and prioritize rest and recovery. Stretching, proper hydration, and adequate sleep are crucial components of any fitness journey. And remember, motivation often follows action. Sometimes, the hardest part is just getting started. Sometimes, the best way to find your drive is to simply lace up your shoes and start moving. Once you take that first step, the momentum will build, and you'll find your energy and enthusiasm returning. Fueling your endurance engine. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly and efficiently, your body requires the proper nutrients to power through those long and grueling workouts. This means prioritizing a balanced diet rich in complex carbohydrates, lean protein, and healthy fats. These nutrients are essential for sustained energy and muscle repair. Hydration is equally crucial. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, cramping, and decreased performance, which can hinder your progress and make workouts feel much harder than they should. Make it a habit to drink water consistently throughout the day, not just when you feel thirsty, especially before, during, and after exercise. Proper hydration helps maintain your energy levels, supports muscle function, and aids in recovery. Remember, your endurance engine needs both fuel and water to perform at its best. The one change that makes all the difference. While there are many strategies to boost endurance, one stands out for its immediate impact: interval training. This method is not just for elite athletes, it's accessible to everyone. This involves alternating between high-intensity bursts and periods of active recovery. The beauty of interval training is its flexibility. You can tailor it to your needs. This approach pushes your limits and forces your body to adapt, leading to rapid improvements in your aerobic capacity. Over time, you'll notice you can run faster and longer without feeling as fatigued. Don't be intimidated by the word high intensity. It simply means working harder than your usual pace for short bursts. You can adjust the intensity and duration of your intervals to match your current fitness level. Start with shorter intervals and gradually increase them as you get stronger. The key is to challenge yourself and gradually increase the intensity over time. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and keep pushing your boundaries. Ready, set, endure. Building endurance is a journey, not a destination. It's about pushing your limits, celebrating small victories, and embracing the transformative power of physical activity. Remember, you are capable of more than you think. This is just the starting line. Now that you're armed with the knowledge and motivation to boost your endurance, it's time to put it into action. Join the endurance conversation. What are your biggest endurance goals? Share your thoughts, tips, and experiences in the comments below. And for more expert advice on endurance training, nutrition, and motivation, be sure to check out my other articles and resources. Let's embark on this endurance journey together.